Well, we connect to our data centres and we have redundancy for that, and we also have fibre feeds to some of our sites around in rural New Zealand.
We're pushing around lots of data, so want a really fast connection there between database servers and application servers and that kind of stuff. And then out the door to actually consume data from other organisations. Yeah.
Well, communication, so all of our bandwidth, connectivity between our sites, our pipe to the outside world and the internet.
Connecting to our customers, connecting to our staff, we have email, search, research.
So we're starting up a Burger Fuel broadcasting project, so we're going to be launching a radio station that'll be going out to all the stores in New Zealand and eventually worldwide, and that'll be boosting out online as well too. So we need that extra bandwidth, We got it into head office, and then we're looking at rolling it out to all the stores. We just want to increase the in-store ambience, make sure it's sort of controlled, and the customer experience is basically the way it should be.
We have a remote workforce, so being able to connect to them is really important. So we're needing everyone in those remote offices to be able to connect to the main server, which is based in Auckland. So having that connectability is really important, and fibre allows us to do that. It allows flexibility and mobility within our staff, so they're not just having to work in Auckland, they're able to work outside and therefore continue that family balance life that we try to instill.
Bandwidth, the ability to do things a lot quicker. DR, being able to replicate things off-site, just generally the speed really.
As we move towards more government shared services and we're exchanging a lot more with other agencies and providing services, that's probably where we'll start seeing the benefit of that. Because currently we get lumps of data come in, it's not such a big deal, or the small bits come in real time, it's not probably not big, but once we start using the shared services or providing shared services, I think then we'll probably see the advantage of that.
The benefit for us is reliability actually, first of all, and then it's the amount of bandwidth you can get across the fibre. And that's pretty much the best we can do. So it allows us flexibility to actually expand in the future as well. So it's good.
Yeah, the faster speeds that are coming out and ease of use with connecting to our servers and remote sites.
More fibre is going to be better in terms of better access to broadband and the internet, enabling us to connect overseas markets better, and that way help our commerce and expanding that. If we're stuck with low speeds and things, then we're only ever going to be able to deal with the local environment rather than nationally and internationally. Well, if they've got more access to broadband and faster broadband, then opens up new possibilities around media consumption, the type of media we can offer, what we can get the sites to actually do for the end users, start delivering richer content.
Allow better communication, obviously, so more VoIP control, less analogue phone lines, reducing the amount of emails that can't be sent because of file size attachment limitations and stuff, so it'll increase the bandwidth, make us more competitive overseas, and be able to keep up with video conferencing stuff that's happening overseas. So it'd be very beneficial. Looking forward to seeing more of it. And as soon as you get to the home, even better.
Especially since New Zealand is a smaller population, it's really important that we're able to connect to other international cities and becoming more global, which is only going to further our business and then the country.
I think particularly for smaller business, it'll be a really big boost for them rurally. I think it'll make quite a big difference. It'll change the way that they actually think and actually what they put in their business and how they actually do business.
Content's probably the thing that I would want to see. So things like movie services starting up. Obviously they talked about some music services before that are starting to kind of appear in New Zealand. Smaller sizes, smaller volumes at the moment, but as that kind of stuff gets rolled out further and further, you want to start seeing movie content, that kind of stuff available, online TV, those kind of things.
I think New Zealand as a country needs to break down the global barriers, and I think faster internet is definitely a way to do that. It's just so much easier to deal with guys internationally. Every day Skype gets faster for me, when I'm talking to the guys in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and that really definitely helps out. I think a New Zealand company going global, working with satellite offices or international partners, it's much easier for them to work now. I think when the internet's faster and you've got all the new technology that's going up to use that extra fast internet, the world just gets smaller and smaller. The time issues, everyone can get past that. You just stay up later, you get up earlier, it's as simple as that.